from Century 21 MyCondoPro. Today I'm going to visit the AKRA Living sales office. Let's go. Hey Neil!
Great to see you, as always. Welcome to AKRA
Living.
We are very excited to have Mark and your team here today, so thank you for taking the time to come in. Before we jump into the next step, I want you to get the full AKRA experience.
Absolutely.
What you're seeing here, and again we'll talk about it in more detail later on, not to scale obviously, it'll be much bigger in the actual lobby of the building. Your curved style walls as you come into your lobby space, very welcoming. You've probably got this incredible scent when you've walked in here right now.
Absolutely.
You're also going to get that in the lobby, and ultimately we'll finish the building. Will be circulated throughout all the events in the building as well, which is incredible. So you'd see in a high-end spa.
I know. I've been going so many condo offices.
Well, you don't see it.
Wow.
There's only one place to see it. That's AKRA.
Yes.
You don't even really see it in five-star hotels. And again, talking about the design, it's curated properties. We're a very reputable developer.
Yes.
We've also got Chappie Chap, who are the designers, who are world-renowned designers with a lot of commercial high-end hotels, including the Four Seasons in Toronto. So a very, very reputable design team. And then we've got Raw Architects, and of course yours truly, the Oxenberg Sales and Marketing. So welcome. You're probably seeing lots of different features going on here in the sales center. Let's jump into what you're seeing behind you. Some of the lobby finishes. So again, we can talk through it slowly, and we can go and look at some of the kitchen finishes. Let's have a quick high-level summary of the building itself. So AKRA is located at 109 Erskine Avenue. Very much an up-and-coming location in terms of what's happening in this area, predicting 100,000 new residents by 2051 in UK. The big thing, your new LRT crosstown, and obviously your subway access. We're calling this Midtown is your new downtown. Accessibility is key here. It's geographic point of view, north, south, east, west. It doesn't get more central in this location. You've got it near perfect terms.
I remember when I started a lot of the project, working with you guys for my time with Young and Lincoln. Young and Lincoln is often most of the time.
It really is, and obviously there's lots happening in the downtown more than the rest of the market right now. You're not seeing this huge influx of new buildings coming to Young and A just yet. And that's why it's very important you're getting early access and you're getting into this location very quickly.
Getting earlier?
Yeah,
That's always saying.
early access with this team, that is imperative. So let's jump into the kitchen finish again. Curated do not do things in half measures.
Yes.
When they do it incredibly well. So much so, and I've never really seen this with a developer, it takes them 2-3 years to bring a project to the market.
Absolutely.
Very focused.
Technical.
If you look at the plant project on Queen West, the last project, one of the last projects, incredible detail. Go look at that building. That just showcases how good the developer is.
Everyone interesting, go to that building, you're gonna be impressed. I've been there.
You're only as good as your last project, and that project was incredible. It'll show you the level of detail what you're in. What we've done here, they've elevated again.
Yes.
So much so you've got your two-tone style kitchen. Again, subject to the size of your unit, your 30-inch appliances, depending on the size. You've got your paneling upgrade options. You've got your pantry options. And I want to talk about this quickly, Mark, for a moment.
Yeah.
You don't see this in condo. You don't see this in sales centers. You very rarely see it in condo living. Subject to your floor plan, you've got an option to upgrade to put this pantry space in. Now again, if you're in a 400 square foot studio, this is very relevant because you need space.
Of course,
you
need a storage space.
If you're in a 3-bed, a larger suite, you've got a beautiful upgrade options, and even if you want to go with a smaller suite, you can do this. You can run the whole background the whole way down, or ultimately you can put in this extra upgrade feature as well.
Exactly. So a lot of efficient floor plans, but
Very
also
efficient floor plans, but again, the finishes are incredible. And again, what we're standing on right now, you can see your worst top, island top. Again, island is subject to floor plan, it is an upgrade.
Yes.
Okay. But the floor plans we'll talk about in a few moments, very efficient floor plans, no wasted space, very practical condo.
I saw the wall that have a smart living.
What we've got here is we've got our smart living. Again, we all know technology is moving so fast. So again, exactly what you're ready to do, they elevate everything. So much so, it's a keypad entry system here. This is in your actual condo door,
Wow.
not in the lobby space. So it's a digital access. Now what's very impressive, before we jump on, I'll show you quickly. For security, if somebody's standing behind you, it's not its own sequence based. So you can put any amount of digits, whatever you want, as long as the last 4 are in order, it'll give you access to the suite.
smart.
So you don't have to worry about somebody overlooking your shoulder.
Developer is really paying attention now.
We've talked about a lot of details. Again, everything, there's a video on this, we can send you the information. Remote access from anywhere in the world, your pet walker, your cleaner, we can give remote video access. You've got the modem on the wall, but you've also got everything on your cell phone, which is very important.
Yeah, and also the cloud. That's
Let's have a look at the closet. Again, we've never seen this in a sales center before. This is an upgrade feature that you're seeing right now. Again, the whole idea with health and wellness in this project is bringing in natural light. Okay, every unit in the building has either a balcony or a terrace. Okay, which is incredible. You don't normally see that in a lot of buildings. Every space. In terms of the actual wardrobe itself, again, we're talking about this upgrade to the natural light into the suite. It is subject to your floor plan, specific to your floor plan. But again, attention to detail of this. Again, we come into the the washroom finishes. What you're seeing right here is your tiling is in standard. Internally is included as standard. There will be a door included as well. It will be a standard drywall on the back wall with a mirror there. So these are all the upgrade features.
Just like the Four Seasons.
It's Four Seasons. Again, the whole project is 5-star.
Exactly.
Right, so much so they've sourced the brick from Denmark on the first 5 levels of the building. That's the attention to detail that they've done. They went to the US, they figured out a building that have done it, they found out where the brick was manufactured, they've sourced it directly. This is the difference to what AKRA is offering compared to a lot of competitor projects right now. Huge attention to detail. So if we jump over,
let's
we can
go
look at the
there.
screen.
I want to learn about this building, how the wellness, how they make it amenities.
Yeah, which is very important. So you can see behind me lots of plants and lots of greenery. You're seeing lots of projects, Mark, when we talk about health and wellness. Yes. We've seen it over the years. It's a 200 square foot room with a few plants, and that's it. It's not really health and wellness. The moment you walk into this building, as you've felt that experience as you come into the sales center today, it's an experience. So lots of planting, lots of shrubbery, the scent, okay? They've got a natural air ventilation system, fresh air circulating throughout the whole building. Again, they went so far, it would be contradictory to talk about health and wellness and not have outside space. Every unit has a balcony or a terrace.
That's very Europe.
Okay, so we jump in, again, very European inspired. You can see the building. This is the northeast corner. You're looking out onto this beautiful park space. You know how this system works, Mark. I'm sure you've worked with us before. We can show you each floor plan. I'll show you here, for example. We can show you where it is in relation to the waste disposal, where it is in relation to the elevators. Huge attention to detail. Take this, for example. It highlights where it is in the building. Go back again, one step further, highlight the unit. It's going to show you where it's located.
Amazing.
So we're fully educating people. Okay? Everyone's getting all the relevant information they need to make a fully educated decision. And again,
21st century. That's it.
That's it. This is it. All digital. Advanced team. This is how the way what people expect right now. They want to see a beautiful sales center. They want to see an incredible location and a very, very good development. And this project offers all that. Okay, if we look here again, we can quickly show you some of the imagery here. Again, very new, very European inspired. Again, lots of planting, and you can see this beautiful red brick. This is the attention. Huge cost incurred for them to do this. And then let's jump to the amenities. We haven't even talked about the amenities. We talked about health and wellness. It's got an abundance of amenities in this building. Let's quickly talk about it. Zen garden and a herb garden on the south side of the building. Okay, yes, a herb garden. That's something you don't see. And again, very much as in your health and wellness aspect again. We go out, we've got a yoga studio. We've got a hot and cold plunge pool, and you know all about this.
I know.
We've all got into a cold plunge pool last week in conjunction with Curated for Charity. But this building, again, these hot and cold plunge pools are like resetting yourself. No swimming pool, which everyone will be happy to hear is keeping the maintenance fees lower, which is a huge advantage, but you're still getting these wet room experiences. Hot and cold plunge pool off your 7th floor terrace. Okay, amazing unwinding space. You've also got an experience shower, which is like a bit of tropical rainforest, different light settings, and an infrared sauna as well. So again, it's like your 5-star spa. Okay, offers all the amenities spaces.
Everything you think about all
barbecue spaces, lounge spaces, terrace spaces. You don't even need your own suite because every suite has a balcony or terrace, but you've got all these communal elements on your route.
This can attract a lot of attention. We already get so many calls from clients, from investors and the users. They are attracted to this building's amenities, the design. So it's pretty much this building can be sold out really quick. I personally believe
already done.
It's already done.
We're already done. No worries, we're going to leave some for you and the guys. But yeah, we're very excited. There's a lot of hype about the project right now. A lot of people talking about it in the market. Very good developer, an incredible location. Not much happening in this area, and of course a great sales team. Get in early. Access with you guys is obviously very important. We have a very strong relationship. Everybody come into the sales center, meet myself and the sales team. We want to show you exactly what the project has to offer.
Exactly. So anyone, if you're interested to learn more about this amazing project and truly opportunities, please contact me below, and definitely I will be here with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
AKRA.
Thank you.
Sell AKRA.
Sale.